Welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be covering basic mathematical operations using Python. Let's get started. Go ahead and open your Atom IDE editor, and in Atom, create a new file in your Rex Python folder called mathoperations.py. In your mathoperations.py, we're going to be covering addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition uses a plus sign. Subtraction uses the minus sign. The multiplication uses what's called an asterisk. And division uses a forward slash. So let's get started with addition. Let's say that we are ordering pizza from a pizza place. And this pizza place has different slices of pizza based on the size. So if we have a small pizza, it's going to be equal to 6 slices. A medium pizza is going to be equal to small plus 2 more slices, and a large is going to be equal to a medium plus 2 more slices. Great. So if I wanted to check, a large pizza should have 10 slices, because 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Let's test that. 10. Great. What we did here is we took a variable that was empty and we stored it with an integer of 6. Then we took that same variable, we added 2 to it, and then we stored it in another variable called medium. But what if we wanted to do this to the same variable? Add or subtract to the same variable? We can do that. For example, let's say we have a family of 3 people, your mom, your dad, and you. And they're ordering pizza from the pizza place. So let's say they order a large pizza. A family pizza will now be equal to a large pizza, which means that if I wanted to check how many slices a family pizza would have, it should be 10. Let's say dad takes 2 and eats 2 slices. Then mom is going to take a slice, and you eat 3 slices because you're really hungry today. And so how would we do that? We could say that the family pizza is going to be equal to the family pizza minus 2, because this is already 10. 10 is equal to family pizza. So family pizza is 10 minus 2. So now family pizza is going to be equal 8. And so if I do it again, family pizza is equal to family pizza minus 1 for mom. Before we do it for you, let's go ahead and test it. Let's print it. Print family pizza. How many slices are left? 7, because dad ate 2 and mom ate 1. So now what if you eat 3? Family pizza is equal to family pizza minus 3. Let's test that. 4 slices left. Voila. Now, multiplication. So let's say we're ordering pizzas for a birthday party. We have 8 large pizzas, and we want to know how many slices that would be. We can do birthday pizza is equal to large pizza times 8. And now I can print birthday pizzas to see that it would give me 80 slices of pizza. Now, let's say I want to know if it'll feed how many kids are coming. So we have 16 kids coming to this party, and we have 80 slices of pizza. So kids slices would be equal to 80 divided by 16. So if we print the kids slices, and I'm going to just comment this out, we get 5.0, which is a float, which means every kid at the birthday party could get up to 5 slices of pizza. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned everything about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Congrats! You've reached the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next video.